Let's find out. So first,
you put cooking oil. Cooking oil.
First, you put cooking
You
oil.
put cooking oil in a glass.
Turn off.
You're holding the glass, we can't see. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, now grading is cotton first. Baby oil.
Use the other hand. I need to see. Remove that hand. I need to see what you're doing. Pour.
Pour. How's that? Pour. Mommy, how's that? What? That is how our solution looks.
Wait, that's how the baby oil. Our glass has Eden remove baby oil and the layer
I'll
of
put some
cooking oil. Extend the other side.
Okay.
So we have 2
Put.
cubes of colored. Drop it and we see.
I will just
Let's observe and see what happens.
It's sinking.
Leave it.
I really want that one. I really wanted the ice cube. We're supposed to save them more something. Amount of.
No.
Everybody doesn't want that. Just.
Put.
If
Bread and put
it
on
was
the
another one, it'll just sink.
Put on the scene.
It'll just
Put
sink.
it slowly.
The small.
Put it. Don't touch. Just put it.
I put See, it sinks. It's not sinking. It's not
It's
sinking.
sinking.
It's not.
Remove your hand.
It did seconds. I think I took the other one. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, shit. Don't put another one. So you can so it's less cooking oil less dense or more dense than baby oil. Don't shake, please.
More than less.
Less dense, Braden, why do you think it's less dense?
Because if it's less dense,
Then remove
my
your hands.
daddy said in the last video, if it's less dense, it's if it's 6, it's more dense. But if it floats, it's less dense.
So baby oil is more dense.
Yeah.
Aiden, what do you think?
More.
More dense.
Yes. What do you think, Mommy? Well,
More dense because Braden says when it's more dense it floats, when it's less dense it sinks.
thanks for watching. No, what something sinks, it's more than. When something floats, it's less than. No,
Okay.
when something floats, when something sinks, it's more than. When something goes up, it's more than. Thanks for watching.